up. Car crash. That one? Huh?
Yeah, like a van.
Record it. Put it on YouTube.
Record it.
Yeah, put it on YouTube.
But you can't see crap. The lights.
The lights?
Put it on the firefighters. Firefighters. You can't see. Right there. You see them? His phone is crappy. Look at yours. I know it's my phone. My phone's dead. Let's record it. Oh, you can't. Your phone's dead.
It cracked too.
That's how camera. You're recording. What's that? The car hit my phone. Hey, you're just recording.
You got, huh?
You're on YouTube or you're just recording?
Recording. And then I'm putting. I know. Say it. Ready? Go. Say it. That red car hit that car. And then. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I have a YouTube account.
Boy, scoot up. I'm crazy. Hey, let me see it.
Later on YouTube. Like, I'm gonna put dumbass cars crash.
Hey, hi.
Chris, you idiot.
My dream girl is Nicki Minaj. It is? Whatever. Nicki Minaj is ugly.
Just get out the way.
Dang, your hands are cold. Hey, want your jacket? Hey, want your jacket? Hey.
Damn. Right, it hit that car. Good. That car, you can't open the doors.
Huh?
Look, you can't open the doors. That thing's open, and that part is all the way in. Dang, dude, she was limping. Bro, she was like this. That's why that.
She couldn't even walk.
Yeah.
Car.
Who?
No, it was her fault. Mom, look. Mom,
You don't go right now. Look, I think the red car the cops were chasing the red car and real fast, and this one, it was his turn to turn, and the red car came and crashed with this one, and dude, he came fast, look, all the way over there to here. Damn, it broke the tree. I'll see you later, fool.